Ensuring aircraft safety requires speed and metrology-grade precision. Here is how to perform a complete skin inspection using the FreeScan Omni. First, configure your project. Setting the scan resolution directly on the touchscreen is crucial for capturing minute deformations, with up to 0.02 millimeter accuracy. Next, begin the scan. The wireless all-in-one design offers total mobility around the fuselage, while high-efficiency lasers build a real-time digital twin of the surface. With the data captured, simply tap Aero Inspect to launch the dedicated on-device analysis module. Set your threshold by inputting a minimum dent depth, like 0.2 millimeters. The system instantly highlights only the specific areas that exceed this limit. The software then quantifies depth and deformation. You can also measure the exact distance between defects to ensure they meet strict maintenance standards. Finally, generate an automated audit-ready report in seconds, a professional inspection done entirely on a single mobile device.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.